I got these two for just 430 rupees. Where you get the same top for just 480 rupees. Like, can you all believe that? Hey guys, good morning, good evening, good night, or whatever time you're watching this video, guys. So welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel, guys. If someone is new over here, hi, I'm Mandya Siddesh and I do videos based on challenges, vlogs and hauls. So if you like this content, please do subscribe to my channel down below. It's just for free, you all can do it, so please do that, okay? Also, coming to the point, as you all have read by the title, this video is going to be based on AJIO top haul and everything is under 500 rupees. Like, you all must see this video, okay? Please do make sure that you all will see this video till the end. So let's get into the video. Hey guys, before starting the video, I have something to tell you all. That is nothing but I haven't ironed the top, so please don't mind me, because when I'm going out, I'll iron. Like, you all will do the same, right? So yeah. So the first top is this one. I know I've already told it's not ironed, but dude, believe me, when you wear this, you will look so good. I'm not even kidding. But yeah, this is so good, okay? I don't know, but this fits me so properly. I bought the same thing in white, and guess the price, guys. The MRP of this is about 1000, but I just got this for 430 rupees. Like, can you all believe that? I just got this for 430 rupees, and the neck, the sleeves, everything is so good. And yeah, this is must buy, guys. I'll just add the picture or a video of me wearing this so that you will get a clear idea of how this looks. But yeah, this is a must buy. You all can go and buy this one. Just a minute. Yeah. Okay, can you all see this one? The same thing in white, and yeah, I got these two for just 430 rupees. Like, yes, this is the steal, guys. Okay guys, the next one are these. As you all can see, these are Chuck shirt, and I love Chuck shirts, okay? I don't know why, but I love Chuck shirt. Just sorry for the disturbance. Yeah, coming to the point, the quality of this is so good. I'm not even kidding, but the quality of this is so good. And the sleeves, obviously if it's a shirt, the sleeves should be good, right? And yeah, the color combination of this is so good, like red, white and black. This will go with every jeans, if I'm not wrong, like black, blue and white jeans. And also I would recommend you all to go and buy this one. And the MRP of this was like 700, but I just got this for 410 rupees. And yeah, you all can go and buy this one as well. Like, this is a recommendation from my side because I love Chuck shirts. Yeah. So let's get into the next one. Hey guys, the next one are these. I know you all must be thinking this is not that great, but trust me, when I wore this, I was looking so pretty. And I'm not even kidding. The V shape over here looks so good on me. And also this top has an advantage. Also, it is in white and light blue color, as you all have seen. But the advantage is nothing but this cut over here. Yeah, as you just saw, the cut looks so pretty on me. I don't know why, but yeah, I look too pretty when I wore this. Yeah, I would recommend you all to go and buy this one. And also, coming to the point of this one, okay, it is out of stock right now. Just keep an eye on this top. You all can go and buy this one. I know this is like not overrated one. This is just an underrated top, but trust me, guys, trust me, I'm just telling you all, this looks so good on anyone, if I'm not wrong. And also, coming to the point, I just got this for 720 rupees. Right now it's 720, but it's out of stock. But you all can get this under 500 by using a coupon code which is given to everyone from AJIO site, right? So yeah, let's get into the next one. Hey guys, the next one are these. I know you all will be thinking this is not a top, it's look like a shrug or something. No, it's a top, okay? Coming to the point, also yeah, the sleeves are so good, right? Like, this is so good. When you wear it, it looks so puffy around your arms and it looks so good. And yeah, coming to the point, the cloth, the quality is kinda okay. This is not too good, okay? As you all can see, it's not transparent also, but yeah, it's okay-ish material. I would not give 5 out of 5, but I'll give around 3.5. But yeah, coming to the point, how to wear this top is the thing you all need to know, okay? I'll just add a picture or a video over here so that you all can understand how to wear this top. And also coming to the point, the price of this is like 1499, but I just got this for 700. Yeah, you all can go and buy this for 700, but if you all add the right coupon, you all will get this below 500. I'm not even kidding, guys. Please do go buy this. This is so good. I don't know why, but yeah, I would recommend you all to go and buy this one because this is kind of different. Okay, you all need to know how to wear this, because without knowing that, you won't look good on this. Okay, so yeah, make sure you watch the video properly again and again. I'll just add the video as I've already told. Yeah, please do watch that video carefully. And also, if you like this top, like, this is kinda cute. Okay, this is in yellow and the color is good, the sleeves are good, and also the neck part is also very good. It comes in V, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it comes in V. And also the pricing is also like too good. Okay, like below 500, who will give you, right? So everything is good, and also I would recommend you all to go and buy this one, guys. So let's get into the next one. So guys, the next one are these. As you all can see, these are so cute, right? When I saw this top, to be very honest, I just thought I just want to go to the school back because of the collar. Okay, just wait. The collar was not proper. Yeah. Can you all see it? This looks so good, right? Like, this looks so good. And also, I'm obsessed with this collar thing. I have bought a lot of things which has collar, like lot of tops which has collar. And also the combination of this is so good. And coming to the point, they have a cut over here, like in the back they have a different cut. This looks kinda cute. Like, can you all see my eyes? Yeah, that's me. Coming to the point, the quality of this is too good, okay guys. And also the MRP of this is like 1149, but I just got this for 700 bucks. Also, you all must apply the coupon code as I've already told, so that you will get this below 500. And this is too good, okay. I'll add every link in the description down below so that you all can check that out. Coming to the point, this looks so good. I don't know why, like, this is like a college vibes top or a crop top, you can call whatever you want. So I would recommend you all to buy this one if you all are looking into some top which has collar in it. Yeah, this is a must buy, guys. This looks so pretty, okay. And also coming to the point, if you all don't like collar, please do ignore this top, okay. So let's get into the next one. Last but one top is nothing but this one. Okay, this is a very common basic crop top, but yeah, it has a difference in this. That is nothing but the lace. Yeah, can you all see it? It is given towards the back side of the crop top so that you all can just tie it around your waist. This will look so good. And also coming to the point, okay, wait, I'll just add a picture over here so that you will get an idea how it looks. And yeah, coming to the quality of this is so good, like so okay. In the whole haul, I would tell that this one is the best quality. Like, this is so good. It's so thick and it's not too thick, not too thin, okay. It's like that, and it's so good. I don't know, but yeah, this looks so good on me. So I would like to tell you all a point in this particular top, that is nothing but please do order the same size of yours. Like, if you are in S size, please do order S, because I ordered an M and this is kinda loose and this won't look okay. Like, no one can guess that I had this. That is the point. So yeah, I would like to tell you all this point. And also coming to the point, the MRP of this was around 800 to 900, but I just got this for 420 rupees, like just 420 rupees, and I got this one. This is so pretty, and you can wear this everywhere if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so let's go to the next one. Hey guys, the next one are these. As you just saw, it is in black color, and also the neck is so good, right? Like, the neck is so good. And also, sorry, I didn't remove the tag over here. The MRP of this is 1390, but yeah, I got it for a very nice price. I'd like to tell you all, just wait for the review of this top. And also coming to the point of the quality of this, it's not that great, okay. Like, just see it. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, can you all see it? It is not that great, okay, but I would like to give like 3 out of 5 because it's not that great. And also coming to the point, the sleeves are so good. I don't know why am I even telling so good in this haul, but yeah, please don't mind me for that, okay. Okay, as I've already told the MRP, I want to tell you all how much did I even pay for this top. I just paid 700 bucks for this one, but trust me guys, you all can use the code and get this for below 500 rupees. Yeah, this is a steal. Please do go check the link in the description down below so that you all can get this one for just below 500 rupees. Okay, yeah, this is too good, and yeah, kinda loose for me, but it's all fine. Hey guys, before ending this vlog, I have one more thing to show you all. That is nothing but the one which I'm already wearing. Like, can you all see it? Am I looking pretty in this? Please do comment down below and tell me, okay? Yeah, coming to the point, this was above 800 bucks like MRP, but I just got this for 510 rupees. And also, unfortunately, this top is out of stock. Yeah, please do keep an eye on this top so that you all can just steal it. Like, the puff is so good, the sleeves are so good, I am looking pretty. What else?
So this will be a recommendation top from my side because I'm looking pretty, you know. So yeah, just ignore.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully this video was helpful for you all to find the best top under 500 rupees, if I'm not wrong. And also guys, please do make sure you watch the other video which I've already posted, like every top under 200 rupees. Yeah, that one. So if you would have liked this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel guys. Meet you all very soon. Bye bye.